comes a time when we heed a certain call, when the world must come together as one.
There are people dying. Oh, and it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all.
We can go on pretending day by day
that someone somehow will soon make a change. We are all a part of God's great big family, and the trust, you know, love is all we need.
We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones to make a brighter day, so let's start giving.
There's a choice to make it. We're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a better day, just you and me. Well, send them your heart, so they know that someone cares.
So the cries for help will not be in vain.
We can